Hi, I'm Shiv Krishna. In this video session, we'll be going through the concepts of overloading in C Sharp. So, the concepts we're going to include here is some arithmetic operators and comparison operators and some user-defined casting implicit and explicit. So, we'll be going through those concepts with the help of an matrix application. So, we're gonna create a develop a matrix application which will be a 2D array which is then used to overload the operators, relational operators plus and minus. Then we will convert the matrix int an integer matrix object to a matrix integer object to a matrix object, and vice versa. Then we will create a class to display working of it. So here's the class program. So this is the program, and as we know, this will be the main this will be the main class which contains the introduction. So another row for first column, first matrix. So it's been taken as R for rows and C for column. So this with this procedure, the first matrix the required details will be collected and they will be added. Then each of the values will be added. And that's for the first matrix. Similarly, it's done for the second matrix, and two matrix will be taken to the system. Then later, sum of the matrix or difference or relation operator check if they are same or not. Then we'll come. So for we'll come to the beginnings. So these are the code for the operations. First, this matrix class, which contains the constructor. Then this class is responsible for taking in the matrix values and displaying the values. So this function display over here will display the matrices. Then the operator, see, so this is the code for the plus operator. So this code, when this symbol arrives, it switches to this particular information instead of going to the system's default specifier. So what happens here is each of the matrix values will be collected and they are tend to be added. Each elements will be added and displayed. Then next, this is for boolean equal to. Just check if it's equal or not, if it's true or false. So for that, each element will be compared, and if it's not equal, unless after comparison of each and every element, then it checks for the if the final element is equal to 1 or not. If it's equal to 1, then it will check for each element. If it's is this not equal, not equal. If it's not equal, it will be 0. But if it's equal, it should be 1, and if it's 1, then it will return true. Else it will be definitely false. And this is the same for the not equal operator. So the same changes will be there made. Then this is the code is for matrix operator difference. So this done, difference being calculated for each and every element, and finally it's published. The next thing is implicit and explicit converting. So implicit converting, if it's an integer value, it will be converted to a matrix, and that's an implicit converting. And what next one is an explicit converting. The matrix values will be converted to integer. So we have a specific format for converting that. So it should be converted. Conversion should be done in that specific formats, and that's all. So we'll see the formats. So just and the values for summing two matrices or to find the differences. But if they're equal, they are both the same, else not same. Then we have defaultly given the input as 5 for this specific area. For integer 5 will be taken and it will be converted to matrix, and then it will be printed as a and finally read line is given so that the console doesn't disappear after the execution of the program. Okay, we'll check. Another one column another one column for first matrix. Two rows, two columns. And the values for first matrix 1, 1, 1, 1. So second matrix 2, 2, values will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Sum of two matrices 2, 2, difference of 4, 0, 0. Both matrices are same. Example from two matrix input 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Or if it's a matrix input is 5, 5, 5, 5, the output will be 20. Yes. And that's it for this session. See you soon.